Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the TP-Link Archer AX21 and Archer AX21 V3 routers. We'll analyze four crucial specifications: wireless performance, security features, hardware design, and software functionalities. Wireless. The Archer AX21 operates on Wi-Fi standards, offering AX1750 speeds with 1300 Mbps on the 5G band and 450 Mbps on the 2.4 G band. Meanwhile, the Archer AX21 V3 embraces Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing AX1800 speeds with 1201 nms on the 5G band and 507 PAD and POT. Both routers feature multiple high-performance antennas and beamforming technology for enhanced coverage and signal strength. Security. Both routers offer robust security features such as spy firewall, access control, IP, McBinding, and application layer gateway. They support guest networks and various encryption standards like WIA, PATWU, and WA3 for secure wireless communication. Additionally, both models come equipped with VPN server capabilities, including OpenV and TAPTP protocols, ensuring secure remote access to your network. Hardware. While the Archer AX21 features a Qualcomm QPU, the Archer AX21 V3 boasts a powerful QPU for enhanced performance. Both routers offer 1 GB WAN port and 4 GB LAN port and 4 GB LAN ports for high-speed wired connections. Additionally, they provide USB support for file sharing and media streaming, along with essential buttons for convenient setup and management. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IP6 protocols and offer quality of service quotes by device for efficient bandwidth management. They feature parental controls, cloud services for firmware upgrades, and dynamic DNS support for remote access. The Archer AX21 V3 also includes a VPN client with support for OpenVPN and L2P protocols, ensuring secure connections to external VPN servers. In summary, while the Archer AX21 provides reliable Wi-Fi performance, the Archer AX21 V3 offers advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology with enhanced speed, coverage, and security features. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.